Hey everybody, welcome to Country Life Nice. How are you today? It's to you and your family. Hope you are doing well. As we approach the Christmas season, I wish that you will prosper and be in good health. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Today I'm here preparing some sorrel, and it has taken me way back. Growing up in the country, father, mother, grandmother, everybody in the household are farmers. And we have sorrel all year round. You see like this now, you used to use the knife and spin it at the bottom like this, and you get out the sorrel perfect. Look at this. Look how perfect and easy it done. And the other way now, you can just use your finger and just peel it off the seed. And when you look on with hand, it's red. If we have the sorrel red, when you look on with finger red with the sorrel stain. So rich, yes, it's rich. I say me come over here last time, and I say me want some sorrel. You see man, it's when my daughter go at the store and come back and buy the sorrel and say the sorrel here. When me take out the sorrel, I'm quite well ready. So me I go draw some sorrel. When me look, I see no sorrel this. No, so me couldn't drink it. When me take the sorrel and me put the sorrel in the water and start wash the sorrel. It coming like the sorrel already dry. We already start this something red. Like say it just dry. Me say no, so me call me daughter and say no sorrel this coming like dye, and it's full of dust. All my phone dropping it, nearly mash up my phone. You don't know why? You see when me say me left it in the warm water till the morning, and when me strain it and me start look on the petal them, me say no sir, we couldn't drink that, so me have to just throw it out. So me just pray and I hope say me find some good sorrel, the good one them when me know from Jamaica. So till me see my cousin plant this up our house, and me say no so me have to get some of this sorrel here. So me had like 2 weeks before she come with it, and here it is guys. This is the real Jamaican sorrel that I knew from my barn till now. Me never seen and know no other sorrel but this one, and I got it free of cost. I didn't pay $1 for it, and I'm so glad and I appreciate it so very much. Please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so very much. You know what, let me tell you a secret. When my mother used to draw sorrel, and the big red label buckle, that was the buckle they would always use to store sorrel. Yeah, they used to store sorrel in that bottle. And when they used to draw their sorrel, we used to have the rum bottle, that big rum bottle. We used to use the leftover that they squeeze out. We used to left the leftover one that they squeeze out the first juice out of it. Yeah, we used to use that and make our own juice from that. And Christmas Day, we have our own sorrel by ourselves drinking. It was fun. My God, just I remember and reflecting on those times. We have the rum bottle, the Sonata Gen bottle, the Stone Ginger wine bottle, and the red label wine bottle. Sometimes we all end up with 6. And I pay long water. Pay long water, but it don't matter to me. Yeah, we are kids. And we are making one thing. So now that we see the sorrel, it just bring back the memory. So watch my daughter now. She make her own video, Watch her with her phone over me thing there, though. No, sir. Guys, so what childhood days, them time there was fun. Yeah, man. I love that about my past. My grandparents, my mother, my father, Them plant everything. Me grew up gonna see them a plant cabbage, them plant yellow yam, pumpkin, cocoa, dashing, cane, lettuce, okra, tomato, every earthly thing you can think of them plants. So right now when we see food, kinda when you come a foreigners and see food that them a sell up here, my God, how much money you have to pay for them. When remember my childhood days, we had dash food. Dog and fowl, I eat food, we got it so till galore. We have it all a throw and now we have to get big and come now if you buy it. And right now my father still a farm and some of the time when he farm, he still a give a food. You all have church, so we get everything you can think of we do it. Them days when we used to plant food, you have the truck them go round and buy food. One time when you look at we get one pile of yam so, one pile of yam there so, everybody, every gate, everybody have their whole pile of yam pack up. If I know yam, a pumpkin, if I know pumpkin, a cabbage, we say, no sir. I tell you man, people should go back in a farming because I tell you, it's good for farm. So guys, remember to subscribe and share and like my video. Also comment and see you John. So you see all them seed there when me have when me go do put them in the sun and make them dry. You know how much sorrel me can get out of this? Might be all next year if when them here dry next year, if me fix up run a back and get the soil and kind of treat it, that's no fly, no bat, no matter, no worm eat them out. Then we can dry them and plant them at the back so we can have sorrel next time. Or maybe we can dry them and ship them down, make my father plant them. It can work so, you know. Yeah, it can work so. Guys, I want you to stay tuned. I'm gonna show you how I made my sorrel juice. I don't know if I remember, but it is simple anyway. You only know say that's still in my head. It's easy. Everybody can make sorrel juice. All you need is the ginger. All I need right now is some ginger. Some of that I will get the ginger. So these are the seeds that I get from the sorrel. I'm gonna put it into a bag now and I'm gonna put them to dry outside. So this is what I get from the sorrel. This is a whole lot. So I'm not gonna use the whole of them one time. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put it in half and left the next half. And yeah, make my own juice. So now I get them ready, put in another bag here, and yeah, just gonna put it outside in the sun to dry, so that next time when you see me, I'm gonna show you my sorrel tree them outside and how them grow tall, and then like the next year we to tell, if God's willing, I'm going to have a lot of sorrel from this. So guys, thank you for watching my video. As I said, like, share and subscribe for more of my videos. See you soon. Have a blessed day. God love you.